And a reminder, it is Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a time to refresh on weather safety as we approach the summer months. We have our dynamic duo here. Meteorologist Amanda Morgan joins us now in studio on today's topic. Hey Amanda, what are we talking about today?
Hey Cami, today's topic is severe weather threats, mainly those due to severe thunderstorms and what comes with those. So starting off with hail, pea-sized to about penny-sized hail is pretty common, and usually we don't really see much damage from that. Once you get over about a quarter size, that's an inch in diameter, that's where we enter the severe category, and hail can get larger than grapefruit size. Now it is extremely rare, but it is possible, and that's where you'll see some very significant damage. In the United States, over $1 billion of hail damage is created every single year. So a lot of damage can be done from hail. Also, we have winds. We're no stranger to that locally in southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. Winds of about less than 55 miles per hour. You might see some minor damage, some tree branches blown off, some things blown around in your yard. But once we get over 58 miles per hour, that's when we enter that severe category. About 60 to 70 mile per hour winds could see some trees uprooted, especially if that soil is saturated. About 70 to 80, you can see some significant roof damage and possibly some damage to mobile homes could be overturned. That derecho that we saw in December did have winds over 70 miles per hour, and we saw some very significant damage from that. And then once we get over 80 miles per hour, that's when those stronger structures are at risk of being damaged. So we have hail, wind, and finally lightning. Lightning is actually 4 times hotter than the surface of the sun, over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, so extremely hot. It can strike actually up to 10 miles away from the center of a storm. So if you are outside, it's not raining, but you hear some thunder, you are at risk of being hit by lightning. So it's a good idea to head inside if you can hear that thunder. And lightning actually does strike the same place twice. The Empire State Building is struck over 20 times every single year. So thankfully, no severe weather on the way for us tonight, but we'll continue to talk about severe weather awareness through the rest of this week. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for our third topic, flooding. Cami.